Just give you a quick, it's like more of a taster so it doesn't feel totally unfamiliar. Up until this week, we've done this one, which is this one. Everybody familiar with that one? We've also done this one. Right, playing out to the 12th fret here. Those are the most common ones that we've done. Now the one we've done today essentially arrived, this ends up, that's an E, that's an E. Instead of going this way, I think of it as left hand and right hand. You go from here, this essentially goes that way first, that essentially goes like that way, and then zigs, but it goes up the fingerboard from home. Now what we've done today is essentially, we've kept these 4 notes, but instead of, we've taken these 3 notes and using the guitar tuning, we've just moved that one down to there. This is one way of looking at it, that one down to there, and this one is there. So what we've ended up doing is we've ended up adding this left hand. Now this one goes left diagonal and then zigs that way, but it ends up there, then that goes right. Do you see? Left hand and right hand. But what happens is these shapes that we've done to death over the first 6 weeks, instead of you learning that as a full fingering, if you go a left hand one, and then do the right hand one, you end up with 2 octaves going across the neck. Instead of having to learn that entire fingering, you learn to manipulate, build these into 2 different sections. Do you see what I mean? I mean, there's more to say about it than that, but that's essentially, it's one way that you can navigate 2 octaves across the neck. And I mean, you'll know from trying to do it, Alan, that like, if you treat a 16-note block as a single unit, with a break in the middle for the... Sonically, it's got 2 sections. Sonically, you know, musically, because you taught that, but you treat it as a single fingering. It takes a lot longer to learn than if you learn 2 octave, because we just changed made the physical fingering to be the same as the musical thing. We've got 2 fingerings and 2 octaves.